Hi everyone, this is Margarita here. Today is my honor to come into Brooke's office. She's gonna show us how does she performing the pelvic floor dysfunction and then give us a tour on her facility. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. So can you give us a tour?
Sure. This is the waiting room.
Yes. And then here's the
It's the
referral
resource
partner.
table.
yes. Okay.
Okay. This is my private office.
We're gonna have a chat. So pretty. Yes.
Thank you. And then this is the private treatment room. This is where I do the initial evaluation and a lot of the treatment. So we have the treatment table, the bolsters and wedges for positioning, pregnancy pillow for pregnant mamas, for doing some work on their backs and getting them into a more comfortable position. And then this is the area where I do my interview or my subjective questioning. So talking to you about your symptoms and your medical history and that type of thing before we get started on the exam.
Wow, that's amazing.
We'll go into the gym. So this is the gym. Have a lot of the normal equipment that you see in regular PT clinics. So pelvic floor therapy is more so not just directed at pelvic floor, but also entire body. So we do a lot of strengthening and re-education, posture, and biomechanics and that type of thing. So this is where all the more functional training comes in. This is for biofeedback. So biofeedback is basically it uses surface electromyography. So it shows the electrical activity in your muscles. So we hook this up to either external sensors or internal sensors. And then this hooks up to my computer and it shows kind of a real-time graph of a muscle activity, the electrical activity in your muscles. So it can help people learn how to contract their pelvic floor correctly or relax their pelvic floor correctly or just coordinate it with other muscles. And they can actually see it on the screen. So if they're having trouble feeling it, then we can help them with that.
Awesome. So how people can find the facility here?
So my clinic is off of Bryant between 15th and 33rd. It's a little hidden away off of Bryant. So there's a pet hospital called Acreview Pet Hospital right on Bryant. So if you would turn by that and then come down and it says Canyon View Offices, and I'm right to the right as you pass that sign. So my Conkin Pelvic Health sign is pretty visible from that area. So yeah.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for giving us the tour.
You're welcome.